How to make your Mac sing. First of all, you need to locate and open your terminal program, which is located in Applications, Utilities, Terminal. Here's your terminal window. And one way to make your computer sing is to type in a script or just copy and paste.
I will get you this time now. I will get you and your tiny little dog.
Another one that's a little bit more uplifting. Over here is a tune to Pomp and Circumstance.
It is graduation time, one and come all. It is graduation. Here's your diploma.
Now the next one's formatted just a little bit differently. It's got OSA script -E instead of say -V. Just different formatting, but it does pretty much the same thing. And here we're going to use a pipe organ.
Playing with my Mac is fun, is fun. I can make it sing like this, like this. Like this if you had a Mac too.
Here's some bells for you. And just another little plug for a Mac.
Macs are really cool, my friend, cool, my friend, cool, you know. Macs are really cool, don't you wish you had one today?
If you notice, I spelled some words a little differently. This is to make the program pronounce the words properly. There are a few other voices that you can use, but most of them are just speaking voices. Just play around a little bit and have some fun.